guys, this is Sharnika and you're joining the S2 Sisters. So friends, sorry that I could not post any video recently because my offline exams were going on. I had to go to the school and write the exam. So you know how tough it is. So I could not upload any video. But in this video, I'm really excited because at last after 2 years, I'm going to India right now. So it's like I've dreamt of this day. And the catch is that my sister recently went to India. If you didn't see that video, you can go and check it out. My sister doesn't know that we are going. So with great difficulty, we have held the secret of us coming to India. So we're going to go and surprise her. So let's see if it works out or you're going to come with us the entire journey. So friends, it's Oman's 51st National Day. So you can see lots of lights like in the background like that behind me. So mostly they will be in white, green and red color because that's the national flag color of Oman. So here National Day is celebrated really grandly with lots of lights and you can see the flags hoisted in throughout the sides of the road. During only National Day we could see crackers, otherwise here we're not allowed to burst crackers. So this is the beauty of Oman, and during the flight also I'll show you the night view of Oman is so gorgeous. For sure I will show you guys. So come on, let's go to the airport.
All I really wanna do is stay right here, away from prying eyes, cause I really gotta get to chapter 3 and see if I'm surprised. Will the princess slay the dragon? Will she save the day? Will she find a brand new world that takes her breath away? What's gonna happen? I can't wait to see. What's gonna happen? It's a mystery. I need to turn the page, prepare to be amazed, see if she's got it made. Whoa, it's nothing I'd expect. What's gonna happen next? All I really wanna do is hide right here and start on chapter 4. Maybe this is where the princess saves her friends and claims her just reward. Will she shoot a perfect arrow? Will her aim be true? Will she meet a mighty foe and know just what to do? What's gonna happen?
So guys, now we are waiting in the line. There's a big line and we need to check in here. So we're currently waiting in the line. So once we check our luggages, then we'll be like 2 hours free. So at that time I'll do more vlogging.
I need to turn the page, prepare to be amazed, see if she's got it made. Whoa, it's nothing I'd expect. What's gonna happen next? What if I could just dive inside? I could stand tall and it all would come easy to me, like a dream. What's gonna happen? I can't wait to see.
So guys, I'm waiting in the gate for my flight to arrive. So then we're going to fly to Sharjah.
I need to turn the page, prepare to be amazed, see if she's got it made. Whoa, it's nothing I'd expect. What's gonna happen next? I'm blindfolded on this carriage ride that they
Sharjah and we didn't even have time. We quickly came and now we are getting into a direct flight from Sharjah to Coimbatore. And so now I'm getting in the flight that's going to take us to Coimbatore. My previous flight experience at Muscat to Sharjah was okay, even though it was just 1 hour traveling. I was supposed to get my food, but they didn't give us the food because they didn't have time, it seems, and we pay for it like 5 riyals. It's like too much, but we paid for the food, but still we didn't get it. They said that they'll do a refund, but I don't know about that, but let's see about that. So I'll meet you all in the Coimbatore airport.
Souls unified, touching at the speed of love.
The only thing is it's cold, otherwise it's good.
I feel connected, protected. It's like you're sitting right with me all the time. You hear me, you near me, and everything else is gonna be alright.
Friends, I have to really tell this, that as soon as we came to the Coimbatore airport, we didn't even have time to film it because we were really busy with our luggages itself, and also the view from the plane was also not that clear. Then my uncle and my aunt came and picked us from the airport, and just a few kilometers away from the airport we found this amazing shop. It's, as you can see, it is known as Karupati coffee. It is really amazing. I had Karupati milk, which was really delicious. Karupati is the raw form of sugar directly from the sugar cane, and it's also very healthy. They also served cooked peanuts, which was really delicious. It was like what my grandmother used to make. It was that amazing. So if you're surely coming to Coimbatore airport, you can go to that shop and surely try it. So I was really hungry for breakfast. So we went to Sri Ananda's, which was also a little far from the airport, and the food was amazing as usual. And actually they opened the hotel first time today after renovation, and it also looks really good. Their service is really amazing, because if they see something is empty in your plate, they will come and they will fill your plate up. Like for example, if my chutney is over, I don't need to ask. They will just see that my chutney is over and they will keep it in my plate. So such amazing service they have, and also the food is really good. I ate puri, which is my favorite. So after that I went to my mother's village and stayed in my grandma's home for a little while, as my mom had some work. So it's a very beautiful village. It's a very greenish, and it's called Silavambalayam. It's really amazing. I always love to be there. This is our garden. We have many plants, and we mostly grow most of the vegetables in our garden itself. Such a beautiful village. Everyone here is very kind. And then friends, one evening while I was playing in this beautiful lawn over here, I noticed something, that there was a big bunch of touch me not plant, and I played with it. So this is the video of me playing with it. I wanted to show you guys. So this is the first time I actually saw a touch me not plant, and I had really fun. So this is the way of going to my village. So there's this sugarcane factory. So do comment down in my Instagram if you want me to do a detailed video of that sugarcane factory. So they are actually drying the sugarcane in the road, and here's the beautiful lake. So now actually we are traveling to Namakkal to visit my sister. I had to travel 75 kilometers from my mother's village to reach Namakkal. It was a long journey, and also the sky looked really beautiful on that day. So here we finally reached the place where my sister was living with my grandparents. She has actually gone to school, so only my grandparents are there. So while she comes from the school, we're going to surprise her. I really like this place because it's very calm and it's very nature friendly. It's also very greenish over here. This is the well where it is the water source. It is raining really, like it rains every evening over here in Namakkal. So it's pretty full right now. And then there is trees. It's very windy. Very windy. So friends, this is the moment we were waiting for at last. Now we're going to go and surprise my sister in her school. I'm really excited. I don't know what expression she's gonna give. So let's hope it all goes well. So friends, this is Green Park, my sister's school. It's a school for NEET aspirants. So it's a very big school actually. And they have a separate campus for boys and girls. So friends, we are really close. Now my sister is gonna come and we're gonna surprise her. Now students all started to come. She's the last person to come from the school, so that's an advantage for us. But we have to wait for a little bit more longer and then we're gonna surprise her. I'm really excited, so let's go surprise her. So friends, we are now hiding near the gate. So let's wait for her to come. So friends, at last, from coming to the airport, staying, eating and surprising her, everything was seen and I'm really fulfilled and she had a good surprise. It was, I still can't believe you. Are you? My gosh, you don't know how much I missed you, man. Aww. Even I missed her a lot. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye!